Hello Kayami! Welcome to my channel! For today's recipe, I will be making fluffy and soft cheese bread. Please click the link below on how I make this soft dough. The only difference from last week, this time, I combined the water and milk to make it more creamer. Cook the water raw until become thick slurry but pourable. Let's mix the cheese streusel coating. Combine the all-purpose flour, milk powder, and sugar. Then whisk. Add the shredded cheddar cheese and small cube cold butter. Mix using your hands.
After 1 hour,
I spread some soap and butter on my working area and hands instead of dusting flour to prevent from sticking the dough. Prepare the milk or water, then the cheese streusel coating while waiting the buns to rest for 5 minutes.
after 5 minutes,
dip the buns in milk or water, then coat with cheese streusel. Do this for the rest of the buns. Cover with damp towel and set aside for another 1 hour before baking.
after an hour,
Bake the cheese bread on a preheated oven at 335 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. I added another 5 minutes. Our family loves the toasted cheese bread. Here's my own version of cheese bread. Cheesy and creamy. Yum! Still warm. Creamy yum! If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, write a comment, and please consider to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care and bye!